What are the best AI tools for SEO content optimization? Looking for the best AI SEO tools? Here's the honest short list. For real-time SERP optimization, Surfer or Neuron Writer. Neuron Writer wins on price. Surfer wins on polish. For editing and tone, ChatGPT or Claude. Both have free tiers. Both punch way above their cost. For research, and people also ask trees, also ask is the one. Free plan works for most small businesses. That's 3 tools, total cost around $40 a month. You don't need more to start. Here's a quick win for today. Pick your worst performing blog post, drop it into Neuron Writer with the free trial. See the entity gaps. That alone will surprise you. How do I use AI tools to optimize my SEO content? Want to optimize content with AI? Here's a 5-step loop. Same every time. Number 1. Draft a piece. Use any AI writer or write it yourself. Number 2. Drop the draft into Surfer or Neuron Writer. Note the missing entities, headings, and topics. Number 3. Add the missing pieces back in. Don't force every word. Add the genuine ones. Number 4. Run it through ChatGPT or Claude for tone and clarity. Number 5. Add a short FAQ at the bottom using people also ask data from also asked. Here's a quick win. Today, pick one post, run the loop, time it. The whole cycle takes about 90 minutes. Most agencies skip steps 2 to 5. That's why your content sits on page 8. Why isn't my AI optimized content ranking? You have a high optimization score but still not ranking? Here's what's actually going wrong. Optimization scores measure the page. They don't measure the site. 3 common blockers are: number 1, thin original analysis. AI tools can't add real expertise, so you have to. Number 2, missing EEAT signals. No named author, no bio, no credentials. Google sees a faceless page. Number 3, site health issues. Slow speed, broken internal links, no fresh updates. The page can score 95 and still be invisible. Here's a quick win for this week. Add a named author bio with credentials to your top 3 pages. Check page speed, fix one slow page, and watch what shifts in 30 days. How long AI optimized content takes to rank? Wondering when AI optimized content will rank? The honest numbers are, for the early movement, it takes between 4 to 8 weeks. Meaningful positions changes between 3 to 6 months. Here's the bit nobody tells you. Domain age matters more than tool choice. A new site takes longer, an established site moves faster. The tool accelerates that curve. It doesn't skip it. Also, most owners check rankings at week 2 and give up. Google is still recrawling. Patience is part of the workflow. Here's a quick win for you. Set a 90-day calendar reminder right now. Check the rankings then. Anything before that is just noise. How do I know if my AI SEO tool is actually working? How do you know if your AI SEO tool is paying back? Here's 3 numbers to track. Number 1, organic clicks to the optimized pages from Google Search Console. Number 2, average position for your target keyword. Trend matters more than the daily numbers. Number 3, AI search citations. Test by asking ChatGPT 5 buyer questions about your category. Note when you appear. If all 3 trend up over 90 days, the tool is working. If one trends down, look at the workflow before you blame the tool. Here's a quick win. Build one-page spreadsheet today. Make 3 columns, clicks, positions, and AI citations. Update it monthly, and you'll see the truth fast.